Hello my hairstyles lovers, today we're gonna create 4 side messy buns. So we'll begin with our first braided one. We'll start by making our parting on the side we like, and then we'll select a section of hair from our heavy side. I leave some hair out because I love this look. Then you want to divide into two your selected section and twist them away from your face. Now before twisting you want to add more hair to the front section and then twist. So basically you add hair only to the front section and twist. You basically braid the same, you add hair only to the front section and twist it. When you reach your neck area, make sure to incorporate some hair from opposite side. I like to incorporate it first top section and twist it, and then you want to add the rest, twist it and tie it using a clear elastic. Now you want to grab your ponytail, just twist it and wrap it, creating a donut shape. I like always to knot it just a little bit and leave the ends inside. Pin in place your bun, but make sure to pin it horizontally, this way it will stay in place all day long. Also guys, if you feel like your raw braid is kind of falling, make sure to use some bobby pins to fix it in place, like I'm showing here. For our second hairstyle, we want to select two sections from both sides of our parting, tie them in the back, like I'm showing. Now you want to grab half of your remaining hair and bring it through this ponytail like so. Remaining hair you want to tie it, creating a side low ponytail. Now you want to tie your second elastic, and then you want to stretch your half bubble like I'm showing. Bring the ends through the top ponytail like I'm showing. You want to stretch a little more your half bubble, pin it at the base and also from the sides, and you're done. For the third hairstyle, we want to select a little more hair than in our second hairstyle from the sides and tie them in the back. Now you want to twist it. Then you want to grab all the hair left and make a super simple 3-strand braid, but make sure to make it off center because we have here a side bun, right? When you finish your braid, make sure to tie it and pull it to make it fuller and voluminous looking. You want to bring your braid through your top ponytail like in our second hairstyle, and you want to pin it at the base and from the sides when stretching your braid. For the last hairstyle, we want to select our heavy side and tie it using a clear elastic. Then you want to grab the rest and you want to twist it away from your face, and then wrap this twist around the ponytail and bring it through the elastic underneath like I'm showing. Now you want to tie another elastic on your ponytail. But on last time, make sure to pull your hair halfway through. If you have longer hair, you can bring it through the elastic one more time, and then you want to bring it up. You can bring it through the elastic of the ponytail, or you can pin it how I did. Guys, I hope that you enjoyed all of these 4 side messy buns. Don't forget to like them, tell me in comments down below which of them was your favorite, subscribe if you're new. But that's it for today, and you know I love you so much, and see you soon in my next hair tutorial. Bye!